Summertime! I don't practice Santeria. I ain't got no crystal ball.
Hey cupcakes! I finally did this yellow summer look using my favorite products during the summer, but thank the Lord Jesus Christ that it turned out the way I wanted to right now, because if not I would have just cut my hair bald like Britney Spears. We out here and we did this look using my favorite products during the summer. This is like a medium coverage look because I don't like being too cakey in the summer. If you're one of those girls who also doesn't like wearing too much makeup, then this video is for you. But if you just want to cheat this eye look and use whatever products you like, then you can also do that as well. I'm feeling myself, so if you want to feel yourself too, keep thinking of doing like a yellow look today. And don't mind my nails. I haven't like done them. I was supposed to do them today, but something came up. So I'm gonna use the Jawbreaker. I got this for my birthday like a few weeks ago. I'm gonna be using the James Charles palette, which I also got for my birthday. I went to Sephora, right? And I was just gonna go there for like a foundation because I ran out of my Born This Way foundation. Which every time I get this foundation, I'm always getting the wrong color. Last time I thought I heard something. So every time, like I was saying, every time I go get this foundation, I'm always getting the wrong shade. It's either too white or too dark this time. I went like 3 shades, I think 2 shades darker, and it's like really tan on me. So I think I'm gonna be mixing it with some other foundation. But I got the Born This Way in the color Golden Beige. Don't ask why. I thought I was gonna go to the beach and I was gonna get a tan, but like I always say this every year that I'm going to the beach and I never go to the beach. Anyways, so I guess when I was picking it out, the guy was like, oh, you need help? And then I was like, yeah, last time I got it too white. Like now I'm trying to get like a good shape but like tanner since I'm gonna be going to the beach. And he was like, yeah. And then he recommended me to go dark, and then next thing you know, he notices my face and he notices my eczema. Then he was like, you know what, you need to moisturize because in the summer like you be getting dry. And I'm like, I know, I have eczema. So he recommended me to go get, I just spit, he told me to go get the Tatcha moisturizer and stuff like that. So I came to the skin section and I was like, I want the Tatcha moisturizer. And she was like, oh, do you have the Sephora card? And I was like, yeah. And then she was like, they're actually giving out a mini Tatcha water cream, the same size as the sample. And yeah, so I got this little cute, this little, I don't think it's gonna focus, but it got this cute little cream, and anyways, gonna show. And then since I noticed that my birthday passed, I was like, can I get like something free for my birthday? And I picked out this Kat Von D little birthday thingy. And it comes out with like colors that I already have, and it comes out with a setting and a liquid eyeliner that I also have. I'm gonna be doing like a yellow color, like a yellow summer look, and I'm gonna be using the products that I use in the summer that works best for my skin. I know summer's almost over, but it's still gonna be hot here in New York, and maybe wherever you are it's still gonna be hot too. So here are some products that I use in the summer in the heat basically, and yeah. So let's get to it. So I closing you guys up. I look naked as hell, but I'm not. My eczema is pretty bad today, so it's gonna be red. I've been scratching it, and I know you're not supposed to do that, but yeah. I did this yellow look. I don't know if you guys can see that. Kind of back away a little bit. It's this like sunset look. So yeah. I think I'm gonna add like liquid eyeliner, and I'm gonna add lashes, but since I can't add lashes, please don't judge me on how I put them. I'll probably fuck them up, but whatever. Let's get started. Hello, it's voiceover Lisette. I start by concealing my eyelids with the LA Girl concealer in the shade Natural. I set the concealer using the James Charles palette in the shade Canvas. Using my Morphe brush M518, I go into the James Charles palette in the shade B and pack that into my crease and blend it until it gets into this bright yellow. Using my M441 brush, I go into the Jawbreaker palette in the shade Wow and blend it together with B until it turns into this like really neon yellow. Then I take my Morphe brush that has no name. I go back into the James Charles palette in the shade 518 and blend it in the outer third of my eye all the way into my inner corner. Going back to my M441, I blend it together with the yellow. Taking my concealer, and I'll just be cutting my crease and setting it with canvas. All the shades that I used in my crease, I'll be using it in the outer third of my eye. Taking Jawbreaker, then I'll be adding it into the inner part of my eyelid. Do not put it in the middle. Taking Lemon Drop, I put it in the middle of my eyelids and then blend it out with a separate brush. Yeah. I'm very picky when it comes to my eyes, so if it looks like bad, I just start all over again. I don't know if this ever happens to you, but like when you stare at something for such a long time and you end up not liking it, like at first when I was done I was like, ooh, like I did them pretty good, but when I just keep looking at it, I'm like, yo, they kind of look ugly. I don't know if it's me. So I moisturize with my CeraVe as usual. What do I call it? I'm gonna be trying to touch it face cream, but this I read it and it says normal to oily skin, so I'm gonna be using it on my T-zone because that's where I get oily. I use the No Problem primer, Pore Blum primer, and yeah, Soothe Pore Covering Top Secret for perfect makeup, the touch and soul. So for foundation, as usual, I'm gonna use my Born This Way. So for the summer, I don't like looking cakey. That's just me. I hate looking like, I hate wearing anything heavy on my face. Cause then like when I sweat, that's why I don't even wear makeup in the summer. Yeah, whatever, makeup in the summer, because like then I just feel like musty. But when I do and I just want to feel cute, a cute way, I just use some lightweight foundations. The Born This Way is light, the Neutrogena is light, the Fenty Beauty is light, the Wet n Wild is light. No shade to the girls that love wearing makeup. Do you, boo? You want to look cute? You want to do like a full-on glam? Do you? Still gonna look like a bad bitch no matter what. But for me and for anybody who doesn't like to wear too much makeup, I recommend the products that I just said. My foundation, this one, like I said, is too dark. So, and I got a Wet n Wild foundation a few months ago, and it was too white for me. Not too white, but it was like, yeah. So I'm gonna just put that in my cosmetics. In the summer, because we're sweaty in the summer, is the Givenchy. I like this because this is waterproof and you don't have to set it as well. So when I put this on, I'm just gonna set I'm just gonna put the CoverGirl translucent powder like on the lid, and then I'll just take my brush and I'll just set like into places like where I didn't put this. So I'm gonna get the Kat Von D, but I was like, no, I like this one better. So I'm gonna use the Hoola by Benefit. Just to bronze up a little bit, not too much. Just put that on my cheek. Like putting highlighter after I set my face. I use the Urban Decay All Nighter because, hello, everybody uses. My favorite highlighter right now is the Maybelline Master Chrome in the shade Rose Gold, Molten Rose Gold, or Rose Fondue. Little pinkish color. I feel like it'll look good with this look because it's a yellow look. I feel like yellow and pink really go together. I don't know why. So you're taking my Morphe. This doesn't have a name because in the set, I don't know why, but like they usually don't have the names. You could use any highlight brush. Everything works fine. Yes, everybody's about to be like, damn! So, doing the under eyes, I'm taking the Jeffree in the shade Wow. Taking this orangey color in the James Charles. I'm gonna just put it on half my eye. I'm gonna put in liquid eyeliner, not doing a wing or anything like that, just like a thin layer over here, and then adding lashes on top. I'm not gonna do that on camera because I get really nervous and I just started putting lashes, so I'm not pro. So if I look crazy when I come back, please don't fucking judge me, please. I did my lashes. I tried. I don't know if I did it right. If I didn't, let me know in the comments down below. Tell me what I could work on with. I don't know. I put mascara on under my eyes, and yeah. So now it's time for lipstick. My favorite part is always my lips. But I'm gonna use my MAC Velvet Teddy, and my look is completed. That bitch is coming in. Just fix my hair a bit and then come back to you guys in a bit. This is the completed look. Like I said, I was gonna do a yellow summerish look using my favorite summer products, and yeah, I just want to let you guys know that I will be posting more often. Expect more vlogs, more makeup, and more of like a haul, like outfits, because I do like dressing up a lot. I like looking cute, you know. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. If you guys do it as well, tag me on my social media. It'll be down below. I want to see how it looks on you, so just tag me. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to click that bell to get notified every time I post. And so yeah, until next time, bye.